Back on the channel with another video, and today we got CUBOT KINKONG 5 Pro, which is the latest smartphone in the special King Kong series from CUBOT. The smartphone is packed with advanced specs and features which give you the best performance in hard and extreme environments. So if you're looking for a solid smartphone, durable and able to provide an excellent autonomy, or you don't want to spend a big amount of money, probably this CUBOT KINKONG 5 Pro can be the answer. Also, if you like outdoor activities or if you work in dirty and dusty environments, this CUBOT KINKONG 5 Pro can be a good choice. And we're gonna find out today how durable can be this CUBOT KINKONG 5 Pro, because we're gonna do also a drop test, and we're gonna test out into the water, and we're gonna find out how strong it can be, this rugged smartphone. And before moving to the design and the specs of this smartphone, let's have a look what do we have into this box. And as you can see, we got quite a lot of stuff into this tiny package. So we got the smartphone CUBOT KINKONG 5 Pro, we got the AC adapter which can charge the smartphone with 15 watts. We got the USB Type-C cable, we got earphones, which is quite nice. We got that SIM pin. Also we got undetachable battery paper, saying that the battery, it doesn't go out. Also we got this EU Declaration of Conformity, CUBOT compliance regulation, and a quick start guide. So you got a lot of paperwork, and probably it's a complete package. And coming from that rugged category, if you can see the smartphone, it's quite thick, and also design looks really good with these orange lines on the back, with this camera on the left corner. As you can see, we got the logo on the back, CUBOT, and this smartphone is coming with dual loud speakers. So probably when you're gonna listen the music, the sound would be very, very loud. We got speakers right here on the back, also on the bottom right here. And like I said, it's quite thick, and it's coming with a thickness of 18.75 millimeters. Also the weight of this smartphone is 308.8 grams, and actually does feel comfortable into the hand. Also we got on the front the speaker right on the top of this teardrop display. The bottom chin looks not very thin, but it's because it's a rugged smartphone, it's quite well protected. So yeah, you're not gonna see probably very thin edges, but it's quite decent, and I like this orange line across the display. Also we got a LED notification right here on the left corner, and the camera right in the middle, like I said, the teardrop display for this smartphone. On the side we got this power button right here. Also we got the fingerprint scanner right here, and we got one more button that can open, let's say, different apps, and we're gonna test out later on. On the front we got not too much. Also on the left side we got the volume buttons up and down, and we got this SIM tray right here. And on the bottom we got the USB Type-C support. Also it's very well protected and very hard to take this cover, let's say, from the SIM. It's made from rubber, and it's quite deep inside, if you can see right here. So the SIM tray, it's very well protected, so no water can go inside. Also it's a dual SIM, so you can put 2 SIM cards, or you can choose to put 1 SIM card plus 1 micro SD card. Also the same for the USB Type-C support right here. It's really hard to take this cover off, because also is very well protected against the water and dust. Why not? The screen, it's coming with a size of 6.1 inches HD plus, and as you can see, it's looking good, and probably we can test out a bit of sound, see how loud can go, so watch out. Very loud. Also, it's looking good actually, the screen looks good. Let's see the view angles. Decent, yeah, why not? And the colors looks alright. Remember, we got only an HD plus display. And we got dual loudspeakers on this CUBOT KINKKONG 5 Pro, and it's looking actually very good, and the sound it's loud enough. CUBOT KINKKONG 5 Pro is coming with the latest Android 11, and as you can see, not too many apps installed, only the normal ones. Google Play services, we got Google YouTube. Also, it's moving quite okay. We got 4 GB of RAM and 64 storage, and we're just gonna go a bit on the main menu and let's find the other specs. If we go on system, you can see we got 4 GB of RAM, 64 storage, 25 megapixel AI selfie camera plus 48 megapixel primary camera. We got an octa-core. We got 8000 mAh battery, so the battery it's very huge on this CUBOT. We got an HD plus display and Android 11. And if we're going back, we got network and internet connected devices, so we got also NFC on this device, so you can make payments. Also, if we're going on battery, we got, like I said, 8000 mAh battery with fast charging at 15 watts, which is not too bad. Also, moving on the display, we got brightness, we got dark theme, so you can tap and it's gonna go totally dark on this smartphone. Let's go back a bit more. Sound storage, like I said, we got 64 gigabytes internal storage, but you can add a micro SD card. Also, what do we have? Location, so we got GPS, and we got gesture settings right here. 3-finger screenshot, 3 fingers down on the display. It's gonna take a screenshot. Also, we got gesture motions, so we got launcher and FM radio, and all you have to do is just wave your hand at the top of the screen and it's gonna skip to the next page. And let's have a look, because it's looking quite interesting, and let's check this out, see how it goes. Really cool. So just swipe your palm and it's just gonna move to the next display. Quite interesting. It's a nice cool feature. And the same you can do on FM radio, waving your hands at the top of the screen to skip to the next station. This is quite nice, handy, I would say. Also on smart motion, we got action unlock and flip mute. When somebody is calling, just turn the phone down and it's just gonna mute the phone. And let's go back again. We got custom key function. And like I said on the beginning, we got this small key right here, and you can customize to open a different app. So for one press function, you can choose to open the camera. So just press once and it's gonna open the camera. Also, you can choose to select a different application for one press function. So you got all the apps right here. Also, if you want to long press the function, I did choose sound recorder, but you can choose any app. So let's tap and hold, and just gonna show up the sound recorder, which is quite cool actually. And again, very handy, because we got this function on this smartphone. More keys, more possibilities to open different apps. Also we got digital well-being, we got Dura Speed. Dura Speed help boost the foreground app by restriction background apps. Some notification may be postponed or not received. Okay, and pretty much that's it. But not last, we're gonna test out the fingerprint scanner and the Face ID, because this CUBOT KINKONG 5 Pro support these features. And to unlock the device through the fingerprint scanner, just tap right here on the side and it's just gonna unlock the device. It's quite fast, it's really good. Also we got Face ID, so we're just gonna unlock the phone and tap one more time, just swipe up, and the phone is unlocked at the moment. Let's try one more time. Okay, decent, quite good. So we got Face ID and fingerprint scanner on this CUBOT KINKONG 5 Pro, and probably it's time to move on camera, because this CUBOT is coming with 25 megapixel selfie camera, and also on the back we're gonna have triple camera. As you can see, AI triple cameras, plus we got an 48 megapixel Sony camera. And next you're gonna find out a few photo samples with the front and back camera, plus a few videos also with these cameras from CUBOT KINKONG 5 Pro. So let's just have a look, and maybe you can say your opinion into the comments. This video is recorded with a 25 megapixel camera from CUBOT KINKONG 5 Pro. If you're asking about the performance, probably CUBOT KINKONG 5 Pro is not built to offer the best performance, but it's built to last in very hard environments and supports drop proof from up to 1.5 meters, support for IP68 and IP69K, waterproof up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes, and also support for dust proof. And we're gonna test out all these features, and we're gonna find out how powerful, strong, durable can be this CUBOT KINKONG 5 Pro. and after seeing all this CUBOT KingKong 5 Pro can do even on hard environments, I hope you make an opinion, and if so, you can leave a comment. As you can see, it's looking quite nice from the back, really good, and it's built to last, like I said. And you've seen a few tests with this CUBOT. Also, like I said before, really hard, really strong, and probably does feel safe to take it on a trip, and probably on a mountain, why not, and probably to work even in hard environments with dust, probably rainy water, even the drops from small heights. And probably this CUBOT KingKong 5 Pro can be a good choice from you. Also, you got links on this video description, so you can read about this CUBOT, and probably to find out the price, because can be on different prices, different promotions every day, so it's worth to have a look. I hope you make an opinion again, and if so, give it a like, share, support this channel, and till the next time, all the best.